Starting May 1st, 2025, all non-Thai nationals entering Thailand, regardless of mode of transport, must complete a Thailand Digital Arrival Card (TDAC) online before arrival. Here's a breakdown of the new entry rules. 1. Thailand Digital Arrival Card (TDAC) mandatory. From May 1st, 2025, all non-Thai nationals entering Thailand, by air, land, or sea, must complete a TDAC online before arrival. Application. The TDAC must be submitted online through the Thailand Immigration Bureau website. Timely submission. Travelers are advised to submit the TDAC application in a timely manner to ensure a smooth entry into Thailand. 2. Visa requirements. Visa-free entry. Many travelers can enter Thailand visa-free or apply for a visa on arrival or e-visa. Check your eligibility on the Royal Thai Embassy website. Passport validity. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in Thailand. Onward return ticket. Thai immigration officials or airline staff may ask for proof of onward or return travel. Digital Arrival Card (TDAC). From May 1st, 2025, all foreign travelers entering Thailand will need to complete a TDAC online through the Thailand Immigration Bureau website within 3 days before arriving in Thailand. For tourism, nationals of 31 countries and territories can apply for a visa on arrival, VOA at immigration checkpoints in Thailand, allowing stays of up to 15 days, requiring a 2,000 THB fee. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Who is eligible for a visa on arrival? Nationals of 31 countries and territories can apply for a visa on arrival at the immigration checkpoints on arrival. According to the Royal Thai Embassy, Doha, the list of eligible countries includes Albania, Armenia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Georgia, Greece, Hungary, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Serbia, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, Ukraine, and the United Kingdom. Visa on arrival requirements. Purpose of visit. The visit must be strictly for tourism. Passport validity. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date of entry. Application form. You will need to complete an application form, which can be obtained at the designated ports of entry. Photograph. You will need one recent passport-sized photograph. Return ticket. You must have a confirmed return ticket or onward travel ticket, usable within 30 days of entry. Accommodation. You need to show proof of accommodation in Thailand, e.g., hotel booking. Financial proof. You need to show proof of sufficient funds, 10,000 THB per person, 20,000 THB per family. Visa fee. The visa fee is 2,000 THB, payable in cash and Thai currency. Visa on arrival. Qualification required for a visa on arrival. The visit is strictly for tourism purposes. Must be the citizens of nationalities accordance with Ministry of Interior's announcement. Passport must be genuine and over 30 days validity. You must have a valid address in Thailand, whether a hotel or apartment, that can be verified. You must have a confirmed return ticket to show that they are flying out of Thailand within 15 days of entry, as appropriate. Open tickets do not qualify. Traveling overland out of Thailand by train, bus, etc. to Cambodia, Laos, Malaysia, including en route to Singapore, Myanmar, etc. is not accepted as proof of exiting Thailand. You may be asked to show your flight ticket on entering Thailand. If you do not possess a flight ticket to show that you will be exiting Thailand within 15 days of entry, you will be most likely refused entry. It will also be necessary to prove that you have funds of at least 10,000 THB per person and 20,000 THB per family during your stay in Thailand. A fee of 2,000 THB is payable upon entry and is subject to change without notice. It must be paid in cash and Thai currency only. E-visa on arrival. Thailand EVOA is available for 17 nationals: Bulgaria, Bhutan, China, Cyprus, Ethiopia, Fiji, Georgia, India, Kazakhstan, Malta, Mexico, Nauru, Papua New Guinea, Romania, Taiwan, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu. Required documents. If you are applying for the EVOA, you have to upload the following documents: passport cover page, passport bio page, departure and return airline tickets, full trip of accommodation, photograph size 4x6 centimeters. During the application, you may also be required to provide additional documents like birth certificate for minors. These documents should be uploaded online. In case you need to provide additional documents, you need to do it at least 3 days prior to arrival for regular visa and at least within 24 hours of arrival for express visa. Document validity. The pre-approved EVOA is valid only on the arrival date as stated in the application form. The purpose of your visit must be a short stay travel in Thailand for no longer than 15 days. Your passport must be valid for at least 30 days from the date of arrival and have at least one page available for visa stamp. You must be a citizen of one of the 17 nationalities deemed eligible for EVOA facility as per Immigration Bureau of Thailand's requirement. Your confirmed air ticket must show a round trip for no longer than 15 days. Your full trip of accommodation address in Thailand should be verifiable. You should have sufficient means of living to support your stay in Thailand. Minimum 10,000 THB person, 20,000 baht family. Visa fee. The fee payment is the last step of your application process after submitting your details and the other mandatory documents. The EVOA fees to be paid for visitor visa would be non-refundable online processing fee, inclusive of all charges, as follows. O regular visa fee, 2,000 THB. O regular service fee, 500 THB. Express visa service. You can also apply for an express service to get your EVOA decision within 24 hours. O express visa fee, 2,000 THB. O express service fee, 2,500 THB. How to apply. Step 1. Provide the application details and upload the necessary documents. The first step of the EVOA application is to register on the website https://thailandevisa.vfsevisa.com/Thailand/online/home/index. Provide all the requested information and upload the necessary documents. If you are a minor, it may be necessary to upload additional documents. Important notes. In this step, you will have to select the country as per the passport that you hold. If you have dual nationality, you must select the nationality of the passport that you will use for your travel. The passport that you use for the application must be the same as the one you will use while traveling to Thailand. If different, then your EVOA will be invalid. Your passport should be valid for at least 30 days from your date of arrival to Thailand. The passport should have at least one blank page for stamping by the Thai immigration officer. The only travel document that can be used in the EVOA application process is your regular passport. Other travel documents are not acceptable for EVOA application. Each traveler must obtain an individual EVOA, including infants and children. The EVOA applications can be created either for a single individual or for a family, minimum of 2 and maximum of 10 applicants. During your EVOA application, make sure that the information provided by you matches exactly with the information on your passport, otherwise your EVOA will be invalid and you will not be eligible for a refund. Once the EVOA is processed, the information provided cannot be changed. The EVOA application has no connection with Thailand embassies or consulate general. For any questions or comments, feel free to contact the EVOA support desk. Please note that in order to have a seamless process for your Thailand EVOA application, you will need a stable working internet connection. In the event of your connection being unstable, an error message will be prompted for security reasons. Step 2. Pay the fee online. After providing all the required information, you will have to make the fee payment through the payment gateway. You can pay the fees using a MasterCard, Visa card, UnionPay credit debit card or WeChat or Alipay. It is not necessary for the card to be under your name. Make sure that your card has 3D secure system and is enabled to make international transactions. Step 3. Download the EVOA receipt. If the fee payment is successful, and your application is processed with a pre-approved EVOA code, you will receive a .pdf file with the decision. You could download and print your EVOA for your reference. We also recommend that you keep a copy of the .pdf file in your mobile phone. Express visa service. You can also apply for an express service to get your EVOA even faster. By paying an additional fee, you can get your EVOA decision within 24 hours to help you travel at short notice to Thailand. At the airport, as soon as you arrive in Thailand with the pre-approved EVOA, follow the steps mentioned below. Go to the visa on arrival area in the immigration area and enter the dedicated EVOA lane. Present your passport to the officer. Get the final immigration approval and enter Thailand.